Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa A&W guys. Ayan guys, may aso guys. Malaki guys. Nag-order tayo ng burger guys na $2.99. So, $2 yung binayaran ko guys, 15 cents guys. Sabi ko $2.99 guys. Ito na yan guys. Ayan guys. Ito yung burger guys, nakakainin ko guys. Kain muna tayo guys. Maraming tao dito ngayon guys. Nandito tayo sa food court guys. Muna tayo guys. Ayan guys. So bukas guys, may tournament naman tayo guys sa Bunton Chess Club naman guys. So bukas vlog ako doon guys. Hintayin niyo lang guys. May bangko din dito guys, oh. May ATM pala. Ayan guys. Ayan. Maraming coins dyan guys. Ayun guys, dito mo na matatapos yung vlog natin guys. So, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Aaron Caralde. Don't forget to click the notification bell na all para updated kayo lagi sa aking mga vlog. So, ayan guys, have a wonderful day and have a nice day. See ya!